Hello friends, once again I'm here and so the topic today is fear of public speaking. So there must be many people who are having this fear of public speaking and they are not able to overcome it. They feel very nervous, they feel very tense, they forget the content when they go on the stage and they are not very confident while public speaking. So EFT can help you to release it completely and overcome your fear of public speaking. So how to do it? So as I told you in the last video, there are 3 steps. So the first step is identifying the emotion. So you are having fear. So also you have to identify the intensity of that fear. What is the intensity? On the scale of 0 to 10, you have to identify how much it is. It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 10. What exactly is the intensity? How much fear you are feeling? So suppose you are feeling 5. So you have identified that you are feeling fear and the intensity is 5. And how to do it? So the first step, as I told you in the last video, the first step is acceptance. So how you have to do it? Even though I have fear of public speaking, still I deeply and completely love and accept myself with this fear. So you have to say this on handshake point. So friends, let's do it. Even though I have fear of public speaking, still I deeply and completely love and accept myself with this fear. Even though I have fear of public speaking, I feel very nervous, I feel very stressed, I feel very tensed. When I go on stage, I tend to forget things. I don't remember what to speak. I feel very nervous. Even though I feel very nervous and tensed before the speech, still I deeply and completely love and accept myself with this fear. Even though I feel very tensed and nervous and fearful before going on the stage, still I deeply and completely love and accept myself with this fear, with this nervousness. I accept myself completely. This fear, this fear, this nervousness. I feel very nervous. I feel I'll forget all the things. Sometimes I also feel, what if I go wrong? People will laugh at me. They will insult me. I will feel very, very embarrassed. Even though I will feel very, very embarrassed, still I deeply and completely love and accept myself with this embarrassment. I feel that what will happen if I forget things? What will people think about me? I will get embarrassed. I won't be able to perform to my expectations. I will feel really, really angry. I feel fearful. What if I fail to perform? What if I fail to perform? What will happen? I feel really fearful. This fear, this fear, this fear, this nervousness, this nervousness, this nervousness, this stress, this stress, this tension, this fear, this nervousness, this tension. I feel very nervous before going on stage. I feel very fearful before going on stage. What if I go wrong on the stage? What if I'm not able to perform better? What will people think about me? How will I face myself after the speech? What will happen if I forget things? What will happen if I fail? If I'm not able to fulfill my expectations and the audience expectations? I will feel very, very hurt. I won't be able to face myself. Even though I have this fear, still I love and accept myself with it completely. I love and accept myself with this fear of public speaking. It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. Even if I'm having this fear of public speaking, it's fine. Even if I fail, it's okay. I'll learn from it. I'll try to do it in a better way. Because in life there is no failure, there is only learning. If I fail, it's okay. I will learn from it. It's okay. I will try to do it better next time. It's okay. Even though I have this fear of public speaking, still I accept it. Even though I feel very tensed and nervous before going on stage, still I accept this nervousness. I accept this stress and tension inside me and I choose to release it. I allow myself to release it completely. I give myself permission to release this fear of public speaking. I release it completely. I allow myself to let it go. It's okay. Even if I fail to give a good speech, it's okay. Still, I love myself because I'm learning from it. And if I'm learning from it, I'm moving one step ahead in my life. I'm not a failure. I'm learning from it. I'm doing my best. I'm giving my 100%. Why should I feel guilty if I'm not able to fulfill my own expectations? I choose to love myself unconditionally, even if I fail. I'm perfect the way I am. Life is a learning process, and I choose to learn from every situation of my life. It's okay. I choose to learn from every situation of my life. It's okay. There is no failure in life. There is only learning. It's okay even if I fail. I am a winner. Even if I fail, still I am a winner because I learned from it. I release it completely. I choose to let it go, all the fear, all the nervousness and all the stress and anxiety, and I choose to be confident on the stage. I choose to be completely focused and confident on the stage. It's okay. I choose to be very, very comfortable on the stage. It's okay. Even if I forget things sometimes, it's okay. I choose to go on the next point and continue my speech. It's okay. It's okay. I can do it. It's very, very easy to speak confidently on the stage. I am confident. I am a confident person. And what is most important for me is what I think about myself. And I think I'm already a winner because I'm going to give a speech. It's okay. I am confident and I choose to give my speech confidently. I choose to be very, very comfortable on the stage. I allow myself to be confident on the stage. It's okay. It's okay. I release it completely. So take a deep breath. And relax completely. Before going on the stage, do EFT and release all the fear, all the nervousness and all the stress, and then only you will be able to perform 100%. You will be able to remember all the points that you have to say in the speech, and you will be very, very comfortable and confident on the stage. So friends, before going on stage, do EFT and help yourself to release this fear of public speaking. It's very, very easy to release this fear. You are confident and you will be. Best of luck. Thank you so much.